Hey, welcome to the channel. Keeping your audience engaged with professional newsletters usually demands hours, layout design copywriting, formatting tweaks. But with Vengage's AI newsletter generator, you can just transform a simple text prompt into a beautifully structured, aligned email newsletter in minutes. It gives tech teams and marketers the creative confidence they need to deploy polished content effortlessly without prior design experience. Let's see how it works. Hello, everyone. So you are trying to figure out that new AI tool and you just don't know where to go. And you want to keep your audience engaged, but you don't know how to create that newsletter. You don't know how to generate it, and you just need to create something professional that people will love. Maybe impress the CEO, the stakeholders, whoever it is. So here we can see then Engage right here, and we can complete a professional newsletter. As we can see, all the information is here with the AI designer. So we can just go ahead and start here. I'm going to create a message as a CEO. Now, to do this, I want to look professional. I don't want to be a CEO of a company and then say, hey, here's my put together newsletter. No one's going to take that seriously. So here I'm going to put my topics. I'm going to put everything. Then we can see how this looks in the AI designer. So now we can see how this looks. Widgets right here. You can see this on the right hand side. Everything looks good. And one thing I like is I can customize all this. I have a visual editor, and that allows me to rewrite, copy, generate icons, update imagery. I can, change the text if I want. I can shorten it. I can make it better. I don't even have to write it myself. I can make it more professional. I'm the CEO. You got to make it more professional. Now I can select a text container generated by AI and just use the refinement, rewrite the features. And then I also have my asset sidebar. So I can generate specific things that I want right here. As we can see, I want to make this look better. So I'm going to go ahead, just zoom in a little bit here. This is looking good. So we have a nice professional message. How amazing does that sound? You want to sound good to other people, right? So now I can adjust the row, the padding. If you want to center it, you want to format the text, get the properties looking good. I'm just zooming in right here, and we can see the instant text rewrite and all the great things it does. And that's why Vengage's is a leader in accessible design. We also get the native color contrast, the checker, the screen reader, the compatibility parameters, the alt text. And here, I can see all the awesome icons. So I can pull out some icons and I can utilize that as well. So you can see the cyber security right here. And I can go ahead, pull that, and then take a look. Got the cyber security, got all the information here. So I can look through here and find the icons that I like. And then we can see the different styles. And then I can go ahead, pick a style that works. And really, it's that simple. So you just go ahead, type in whatever you like into the icons, create a modern line icon. Where's that, AI automation, boom. You can see that right here. That's why this is one of the leaders in accessible design, because it gives you amazing icons. It gives you text rewrite. You get native color, contrast checker, screen reader. You come up with it, compatibility parameters, text. It's all here. So you can use my little robot here. The robots are not taking over. The AI is not taking over, just making the CEO, myself, look a little bit better, right? So that's all we're doing right here. We can see that. And then we're going to go ahead. We're going to put it right here at the top of the letter. Now this is looking good. Now I have a good looking newsletter. This is a newsletter that I'd like to send out. Then I'm going to go ahead and modify this, make sure it looks good. And after we do that, we're fine. Make sure it looks good from font. So I'm going to go adjust it with Roboto. I'm also going to change the size. So we're going to do that. The paragraph, boom. So we got that and good. And now we can go ahead, just adjust that size-wise, and now everything looks good. So one thing you can do is you have the AI accessibility checker from the top utility navigation. You can go ahead and play with that. You can correct anything that you want here, any contrast alerts, anything. You can append stuff, and then you can go ahead, you can export it when you're done. That's how simple it is. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything looks. Maybe I'll change the font of the body here. So I'm looking through. I'm going to go ahead and change that. All right. Awesome. Something that's looking pretty good. Then I can do the project colors. And that looks awesome. So let's see the background color here. We're going to adjust that. Gotta have a good background color there, guys. Okay. So check this out. Look how we transformed a basic newsletter. Now, I know you're going to say, well, how would I be able to do it? And it's all through the power of AI that we can make the newsletter look that amazing. So now we can go ahead and zoom in. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here. I want to make this look absolutely amazing when I send this out. Here we can take a look at the accessibility checker like I was talking about. That we're going to launch the AI-powered accessibility checker from the top utility navigation bar, and we're going to see how this looks. Now here we can correct any highlighted, any contrast alerts. We also have the ability to pen descriptive alt text if we want, play with icons. You can see here. So I can take a look at, alt text for visual elements. Boom. So we have that saved. How cool is that? We can get everything done. So we got the alt text save. And I can go ahead and download it. Boom, if I want to. So it's pretty simple to do. I'm going to make some adjustments here. I'm going to make sure that looks good. I think it does. Just going to double check this. I'm liking how that's looking. Issues resolved. Got to fix those AI issues. All right, so I'm ready to export. So when I am ready to export, I can just go ahead and download the document as a PDF layout. So first we want to do a quick preview. We're going to look at it. I'm the CEO, making sure it looks awesome. If it does, boom, we'll go ahead and download it. I can do this, as we can see, you can do it in multiple formats. I'm going to do it in a PDF here. That's how amazing it is. You can register for a free account, and that unlocks unlimited access to over 100 AI design generators. You can do it just like I did. Multiple templates, specialized tools are being added to the platform weekly. The nice thing is a single account handles all the business graphics and needs for visual ads. So all you need is a single account. Let's take a look at some of them here. Look how awesome and amazing that looks. So guys, you can see the template. You can see that I have Design AI right here. Also, do not forget that you can add your teammates. So if you want to go ahead and add your teammates, you can feel free to do so as well. We can see the product. If you want to make brochures, posters, ebooks, newsletters, you can make it all in one place. Don't limit it to one thing. If you have a specific need, like a book cover, maybe a proposal, maybe a flow chart. Doesn't just have to be a newsletter. Yes, we customize a newsletter, but you can do contracts, pitch decks. You can do it for your new project. Maybe you have a SaaS, maybe you have a new company, maybe something, maybe you have a white paper you want to get out. Do it, blogs, webinars, everything. This is literally all here in one place. So guys, I'm just going to be straight with you. Transform your designs and manage with Engage AI tools. Click the link in the description. Give the tool a try and sign up today. You can generate your first newsletter for free. Make sure to use the code BizCheck50. Check it out. Enjoy 50% off your annual plan for Engage Premium or the business plan. Can't wait to see what you create. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and please leave me a comment. I want to hear from you. Thank you. Catch you soon.